In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Google Sheets, a simple yet effective way to organize your data and make your spreadsheets more readable. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your Google Sheet. This could be a new sheet or an existing one, depending on what you're working with. Once you have your Google Sheet open, identify the cells that you would like to merge. To select them, click and drag your mouse over these cells. If you're only merging a couple of cells, simply hold down the mouse button and drag over them to highlight your selection. Next, look towards the top of your screen and find the Format tab in the menu bar. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring down a drop-down menu with several formatting options. Hover your mouse over the Merge Cells option within this drop-down menu. You'll see more choices appear to the side, offering different ways to merge your data. You can choose from merging all selected cells, merging horizontally, or merging vertically, depending on how you want them to be joined. Merging all combines every selected cell into a single cell, which is a great option when you want to create a header or a large standout label above a section of data. If you select Merge Horizontally, the cells will be combined into one row. This option is particularly useful when you have data aligned in a row and want to create a continuous section for clarity. Conversely, the Merge Vertically option will combine cells into a single column, another handy feature when dealing with data that's aligned vertically. Once you've made your selection, your cells will be merged. A key thing to remember is that the content of the top left cell will be the only content preserved in the merged cell. Any other data in the selected range is effectively overwritten, so ensure that this is the result you want. For a quicker method, you can also look for the merge icon directly in the toolbar, typically resembling three squares being combined. Clicking on this icon will perform a basic merge of your selected cells. There's also a small arrow next to this icon. Clicking the arrow gives you the same options: merge all, merge horizontally, and merge vertically, right at your fingertips. It's an efficient way to merge your cells without diving into the Format menu. And there you have it, a concise and easy guide to merging cells in Google Sheets. This can be quite useful when trying to streamline your data presentation. Happy spreadsheeting!